I got some LED lights for my displays, and that's what you just saw there. Um, this is the one I got from Amazon. Um, and they're called underbed motion LED lights, something like that. The reason I got those is because I didn't want to run wires to the outlet, and this one I could just put some rechargeable batteries and install over there for my action figures. Now I just got another package from Amazon for a different type, and that's what I'm gonna look at next. So let me just open this so we can look at it. Let me just pause it for now. Well, I just opened the package, and this is what it's called: motion activated LED strip kit. And let's see what's inside this one. Oh. So, some instructions. This is the user manual. Okay, nice. I guess that's how you're supposed to connect them. Well, it's very similar to that one. I guess the main difference is this one. Oh, that's the motion sensor. On and off switch, I guess. And the power supply. And 2, 3 extension cables. Well, that's it for the first part of the video. Now I'm gonna just replace the old ones with the new set and put the old set on the other side where I have the other figures. The reason for that is that this is a longer run, and I can kind of hide the power cord behind the cabinet, so I don't really mind running the power from the wall, and I can use the battery power one on the other shelves where I don't want to have the wire showing. Well, again, another look at the shelves, and actually I don't know if you can see, but the sensor is right there. And because it's so bright in here, the light won't come on. And it's actually a good thing. I don't want that light to be on all the time. But as soon as you turn off the light and it senses any motion, you'll come back on. You can adjust the time. On the back of the sensor, there's I guess a timer delay. So you can set the time that how long you want it to stay on and all that. Well, that's it for now. And I'll go ahead and install the other LEDs and do another video later. Thank you. Bye.